Hi, this is Rajendran from Market Calls, and in this video tutorial we'll be discussing about how to install Python in your Windows machine. So Python provides an downloading package from ActiveState. I'm just going to ActiveState Python download. Here it is. Just going there. And my machine is a 64-bit machine, so I'm just scrolling through the downloading packages right now. Here, yeah, so that is an 2.7.8 Windows installer is there for 64-bit machine. Of course 3.3 is a newer version, but still 2.7.8 is the more stable version. I'm just downloading it. It's a 35 MB file. So in the meantime, we'll discuss about why we have to move to Python. Why not a traditional technical analysis softwares like AmiBroker or MetaTrader or NinjaTrader. So why to go for Python? See, if you heard about the people in hedge funds or the quants who use mathematical models, a complex set of mathematical models basically, they used to develop an mathematical models. They used to go for prediction models, neural network models, model based on machine learning. So they used to create a complex mathematical model. So they use packages like Python, R, MATLAB. So these packages helps you in designing your own complex mathematical model or like an volatility prediction models. So generally, I mean, people do computational finance. The quants generally used to do such kind of stuff. So how we are going to get introduced to such kind of stuff? So this tutorial will be an startup for you to learn such stuff. So from our side, Market Calls will help you out in achieving your goals and converting you as a quant. So this tutorial, I mean, we'll be going out and trying out some Python codes. We'll be trying out the packages like NumPy, SciPy, Pandas. So in the meantime, we'll start installing it. The download is done and we are installing it. Next, accept the agreement. Next, install. Yes, so that the installation is on. Copying new files. So Python is an open source software where you can there are various models, statistical models like NumPy, SciPy, Pandas to support building complex mathematical models at free of cost. Yes, of course. So the installation is done. Now the another setup, what we have to do is we have to go to search, go to system settings, system. We have to create an environmental variable, advanced system settings. Now I have to go to the environmental variable, and from here I have to add a new system variable. So I had taken ready-made a system variable here. I want to add a Python path here in the variable name, Python path, and here are the paths, which are the default path, which has to be added in the variable value. I'm just clicking on OK. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open a Python IDE. I mean, it's a GUI based IDE. It's called idle. I'm just opening it. So here is the GUI is there, the Python 2.7.8. I'm just going to type on sample hello world program. I'll tell you print hello basic program to test whether the Python shell is working or not. Here we go. Yes. So with this we'll be when completing this Python tutorial, we'll be discuss more about in subsequent tutorials. Till then, stay tuned with Market Calls. Thank you.